you open this up, you're going to see this guy here. And this is like your little footings you put on the bottom to make it stick and stay in one place. You have three options for part that actually goes into the pump where you're going to connect your pipe. Now we're using 3/4 inch PVC. And one of these will almost fit in there. And that's what we're going to go with. We find it won't quite fit in here. But I'm going to go get a couple of heat guns. I'm going to heat the bottom of this up so it gets soft. We'll push it in there and it'll be a snug fit. And that's pretty much all you have to do in terms of connecting it. You don't have to worry about gluing it or anything like that or coming apart on you. So we're going to put our little footings in here. And I'll tell you which one of these actually is the right size after I check it out on there. But I'll show you how the footings and stuff go. Get them some, so you push it on, it holds. So it's got vertical cut, right? And that goes right into the bottom of this thing, this little plate here. This actually will come off. So sometimes I don't even use them, but you guys probably should use them. Keep it stable from sliding around if you're moving in it. So,
It's kind of a footing.
yeah, it just kind of keeps it from slipping around. And if you ever need to clean this thing just pops right off.
How often should we clean it?
Well, if you see it, your flow stem is starting to flow down. If you open up the valves and this doesn't give you any more flow, there's probably some stuff dunked up in here, and you just take it peels off, pull this stuff out, put it back on. It doesn't happen very often, but every once in a while you may have to do that. You also might want to maybe put something like in front of it, like that has like slots in it to maybe have an extra filtration barrier. So if you got a lot of stuff, fish debris, if you have it outside, sometimes the leaves blow in here and stuff like that, it'll start getting clogged up more often. You can put something over this that's not going to stop the water, but it'll give you extra barrier to trap the stuff that's leaves and stuff.
This is a submersible pump?
Yeah.
And the water's flowing in through?
This is in, this is out. This goes up to the top and goes 4 ways to the top.